What's the meaning of cast off? Cast off. Cast off.
Cast off. Cast off. Cast off can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One possible meaning is to discard or get rid of something that is no longer needed or wanted. This could refer to physical objects like clothing, or to more abstract things like habits or beliefs. When something is cast off, it is typically no longer considered useful or valuable and is often left behind or forgotten. The result of casting off something is essentially a separation or detachment from that thing, allowing for new possibilities or opportunities to emerge.